A Winston-Salem woman faces thousands of dollars in repairs after a botched tree removal job. A tree fell on her home, leaving a large hole in the roof.
And with no clue who's responsible, she turned to 2 Wants to Know's Kevin Kennedy.
Like I said, I had this tree down.
Lisa Slade surveys the damage.
Pouring down. You see all the buckets of water.
Her ceiling in shambles, the roof punctured and tarped, the result of a job gone wrong.
And they started pulling, and then they realized that it was not going to go that way. So they were hollering for more help.
Chosen One Home Repairs hired to cut down a tree in the front yard. That went well, but when they tried to cut down a tree in the backyard, it didn't.
Started to go towards the house, and then I knew it was going to fall.
The giant pine crashing on the roof.
And when I saw it falling, it looked like it was going to roll, so I took off running that way, screaming, because it scared the bejeebies out of me.
Lisa didn't get any video, but here's a picture of the tree still on the roof.
You could see the house going, I mean, it just...
The roof punctured, a gutter damaged. There's also concern for the frame.
You can tell where it shifted so far. It even knocked the gutters loose all the way up here.
The crew put this tarp up, Lisa wanting a roofing company to inspect the damage.
He's not offered no solution, no apology, no nothing.
The bigger concern, the company not insured. We spoke with the owner on the phone.
We had the tile off, pulling it away from the house, and one of the dead parts of the tree broke off. It was just an accident, you know what I'm saying?
The owner telling News 2 he was willing to repair the damage.
If she would let me fix the roof, any damages after that wouldn't have never occurred.
Lisa filing a claim with her insurance company, wishing she asked to see their insurance coverage prior.
Hindsight 2020, it fell on my house.
At least she can laugh a little. Repairs running upwards of $30,000. The lesson here, get a contract. Check to see if the company you hired is insured and have insurance just in case. Kevin Kennedy, 2 Wants to Know.